Drop your left shoulder.
Yeah, trying to just get my posterior chain
Again.
strong.
I'll do my job up here. You just visit.
Oh!
Drop your right shoulder just a little bit. Good job. Drop your left shoulder just a little bit. Yeah. I adjust you like you're a young spring chicken, my friend. Say, let's get cracking. 3.
I don't know what we're doing.
You hate this part. One, say it. Let's.
Oh, we did this already.
I know. We're supposed to do it. We have to do it every time. 3, 2, 1. Let's get cracking. There you go. That was good. Hey, BSWI fans. Before we get cracking, we would love to hear from you. Please comment below and tell us what you would like to see next. Don't forget to subscribe.